Into times now, devotees across the country are celebrating Ram Navami with immense fervour and devotion, marking the birth of Lord Ram as Uttar Pradesh witnessed the true Ram Rajya with celebrations from Ayodhya to Sambal. All is not well though in Bengal, where politics over Shobha Yatra continues. Across in Hyderabad as well, the BJP has alleged that the Congress government has imposed curbs on Ram Navami celebrations. But let's get you details one state after the other. In West Bengal, heightened political tensions prevailed between the ruling TMC and the BJP as the leaders led Shobha Yatra across the state. The processions have become a flashpoint for political mobilization as well, with both parties vying for influence over the Hindu votes. Security was beefed up across sensitive areas like Howrah and Barakpur following past incidents of communal unrest. The Calcutta High Court imposed conditions on the processions, banning weapons and limiting participation. The police also deployed drones, body cameras and quick response teams, as well as plainclothes officers to monitor the events.
AVBP, the student wing of the RSS, is determined to organize Ram Navami festivity at Jadavpur campus in spite of the fact that the university authority did not grant permission to them. Let me tell you what is happening over here. As the preparations are underway, what we can see, the Azad Kashmir poster and Free Palestine poster that triggered a storm over here. Now a change of, it's significant poster that is during Ram Navami festivity. It's just side by side that AVP has decided to organize the Ram Navami festival, and the left-wing supporters, particularly SFI, the left student wing, they also said they don't want to hurt anyone's sentiment, but they don't believe that this kind of program could trigger the tension, a chaos inside the campuses. Been increased here in Howrah in view of Ram Navami festivity, which is going to be observed like never before. Additionally, 3,000 to 5,000 cops have been deployed in Kolkata only. And this is the situation where the heat is mounting over the Ram Navami, and in which the thousands of devotees are going to take part in two rallies in Howrah, which is considered as a sensitive zone, where a couple of years back law and order deterioration was happened during Ram Navami festivity. We can see that a kind of arrangements are being taken by the cops over here. We're also given to understand that the aerial survey is going to take place over here, and CCTV cameras have been deployed. Police will be deployed on the top of each high rises here in Howrah, Shibpur, where this procession will be passed through. Let me also tell you the additional forces are being summoned, and what we can see that there are two separate rallies in Howrah. One is going to take place in the morning, and second in the evening, and following a court order. There are several others. Rallies are lined up in Kolkata this year only on Sunday during Ram Navami, but we can see that 60 Ram Navami celebrations are going to take place, in which BJP leaders like Shubhendu Adhikari and others to take part.
So you heard the reports from the ground. The BJP has underscored the significance of the mass participation in the processions as well, claiming that over 1 crore Hindus would unite to take to the streets. Led by Shubhendu Adhikari and Shrikanta Majumdar, the party also organized more than 60 yatras across the state, including 50 in Kolkata itself. The BJP, though, accused a Mamata Banerjee-led government of discriminating against Hindus, alleging that the police have become aligned with the TMC's political agenda and are supporting the party's appeasement tactics.
मुंह तोड़ जवाब दे रहा है बंगाल का हिंदू मुंह तोड़ जवाब। पुलिस ममता की इशारा से अपीजमेंट पॉलिटिक्स कर रहा है। बीजेपी सरकार आएगा, जो पुलिस ये कार्रवाई कर रहा है उसको सबक सिखाने का काम अगला बीजेपी सरकार करेगा। हाँ, बीजेपी राजनीति नहीं कर रहा है, ममता बनर्जी हिंदू को गाली दे रहा है। जय श्री राम, जय श्री राम। पूरा बंगाल में हिंदू इस बार बांटने वाला नहीं है। भगवा लहर, भगवा
रामनवमी को मनाया जा रहा है। जैसा दुर्गा पूजा हम लोग मनाते हैं, आप पश्चिम बंगाल में सबसे बड़ा गर्व का बात है, पूरा देश में राम छा गए हैं। पश्चिम बंगाल में घर घर में भी राम छा गए हैं। ये परमिशन का जरूरत नहीं होता है, ये हम लोग का धर्म का है। अगर दुर्गा पूजा में कोई विसर्जन के लिए अगर ये पश्चिम बंगाल में सिर्फ परमिशन मांगता है, बाकी जगह में नहीं होता है। धर्म का बात है, यहाँ पे किसी को कोर्ट से हम लोग कोर्ट से परमिशन लेना पड़ता है, पुलिस से परमिशन नहीं देंगे। पुलिस अभी कैडर हो गया है, पुलिस अभी पुलिस नहीं।
लेकिन राम तो सबके हैं, हम तो बोलते हैं राम सबके हैं, सब सारी पार्टियां, यहाँ तक कि सीपीएम को भी रामनवमी में जुलूस में चलना चाहिए। कौन मना कर रहा है? करना चाहिए। तृणमूल भी करे, कौन मना कर रहा है? इससे पता चल रहा है कि बंगाल में हिंदू सेकंड दर्जे के नागरिक है, इसलिए ऐसा हो रहा है। सेकंड दर्जे की नागरिक